Dear students, now we will learn use of decimals. We are using decimals in many things. Now, for example, here see in money also, to write money also we can use decimal. See, I will explain you. First of all, 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. 1 rupee means 100 paise. So, 1 paisa is equal to how many rupee then? Then 100 paise 1 rupee. So, 1 paisa means you will have to divide 1 rupee by 100. That many rupee. Now, how to write 1 upon 100 in decimal? See, downside 2 zeros. So, after decimal, how many digits should be there? 2. But here only 1 is there. So, before that, 0 right. So, answer whole part 0. 0.01 rupee. Correct? 1 paisa. So, here see, we have used the decimal. Correct? That means 1 paisa means 0.01 rupee. Similarly, 2 paise is equal to rupees. How many rupee? 0.02. 10 paise means how many rupee? 0.10. Because already see here. 10 paise means how many rupees? So divided by 100. Correct? So see here 0. Okay, whole part 0. And here after these two zeros, no? So 2 digits are there. That is 1 0. Directly we can write. So 10 paise means how many rupee? 0.10. 5 paise means how many rupee? 0.05. In this way we can use decimal to express the amount also. See, we can express the amount of money given in rupees and paise in decimal form. See here, 1 rupee 45 paise means how to write? Rupee 1.45. What it means? 1 rupee 45 paise. Rupees will be before decimal and paise will be after decimal. We have to write. Next, 36 rupees 5 paise. So how to write? Rupees 36 decimal point 5 paise. So directly you can't write here after decimal 5 because see here I can put 1 0. I can increase, no? So 5 paise means 0.5. Okay, don't write 36.5. 36.5 means 36 rupees and 50 paise it seems. But here we want 5 paise. So how to write 36.05? Because here 5 paise, how we have written how many rupees? 0.05. So 36.05. For a now 50 rupees 20 paise. So how to write that? Rupees 50.20. Follow? We'll solve practice 6.11. Question number 1. Express the following amounts money in decimals. Okay. So 41 rupees 25 paise. How to write? Rupees 41 and paise 0.25 paise. In this way. Okay. Here 25 rupees 75 paise. So rupees 25.75. Next, 34 rupees 35 paise. So rupees 34 and paise how to write? After decimal point, that is 35 paise. Here 57 rupees 90 paise. So rupees 57.90. Now question number 2. Express the whatever we have done now, exactly opposite we have to do here. Here in decimal form they have given and we have to write it rupees and paise. So here rupees 54.44. That means 54 rupees and 44 paise. Correct? Then here rupees 65.76 means 65 rupees 76 paise. Rupees 75.65, that is 75 rupees and 65 equal to 1 centimeter. Correct? In 1 centimeter, in our scale also, between 0 and 1, how many lines are there? 10. So, one line is of 1 millimeter. That is, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Correct? So, 1 millimeter is equal to then how many centimeter? If you want to convert, then divide it by 10. So, 1 upon 10 centimeter. That is, how do we write this 1 upon 10 using decimal? In decimal form, 0.1 centimeter. Correct? This we have learnt already. Now, so 7 millimeter, how you will write? 0.7 centimeter. Okay? And 9 millimeter, how you will write in centimeter? 0.9. Follow? And if this is there, what? 20 millimeter. Correct? Then how many centimeter it will be? 20 millimeter is equal to 10 millimeter means 1 centimeter. So 20 millimeter is equal to 2 centimeter. Okay? Don't get confused. Now here see, centimeters and millimeters can be written together as decimals. Like rupees and paise, how did we write together by using decimal in the same way? So 6 centimeter and 7 millimeter. Now 7 millimeter is equal to how many centimeter? 0.7. So 6 centimeter, 6.7. Same how we can write 6.7 centimeter. 8 centimeter and 4 millimeter. That is 8.4 centimeter. In this way we can write. Now next, after millimeter and all, see, 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. In 1 meter, how many centimeter are there? 100. So, 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter then? So, divide 1 by 100. That many meters. Now, how to write in decimal form? See, 0.01. This I have already explained. How here whole part is not there. So, 0 we have to write. Put decimal and denominator 2 zeros are there, means numerator 2 digits should be there, correct? But here only 1 is there. So, before that write 0. So, 0.01 meter. Now, 5 centimeter is equal to how many meter then? Same, 0.05 meter. Divided by 100. 45 centimeter is equal to 0.45 meter. Correct? In this way. 1000 meter means 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is equal to how many kilometer? What we have to do? We have to divide it by 1000. We have to divide 1 by 1000. Okay. So what? How to write this? Now whole part 0, decimal point, and here 3 zeros. So numerator also 3 digits should be there, but here only 1 is there. So before write 2 zeros. Here 0.001 kilometer. In the same way, 7 meter. How to write in kilometer? 0.007. 10 meter. So how to write it? 0.010. Correct? Here 0 don't write because already 2 digits are there. So only 1 0 we have to increase. Now here see already 3 digits are there. So 0.100 kilometer. Or this you can write 0.1 also. Here 425 means 0.425 kilometer. Okay. In this way, meter to meter centimeter, then kilometer meter, millimeter centimeter, we can write togetherly by using decimals. Now we will solve practice 6.12. Question number 1. Express each of the following in decimals. Okay. Just now we learned, so let us see now. See, 5 centimeter, 7 millimeter. How to write? 5.7 centimeter. Okay. This 45 centimeter, 6 millimeter. How to write? 45 decimal point 6 centimeter. Now 62 meter and 9 centimeter. So, see here students, in 1 meter how many? In 1 meter how many centimeters are there? 100, correct? So, 1 centimeter is equal to how many meter? 0.01. Correct? And here see 62 meter and 9 centimeter. So how to write it? 62 point. Should I write only 9? No. 0.09 meter. Followed? In this way. Now 12 meter, 74 centimeter. This same 12.74 meter. Next, now 1 kilometer, 285 meter. That is 1.285 kilometer. And 14 kilometer, only 75 meter. So how to write? 14.075. Why 0.75? Because here 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Correct? So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. That is 1 meter is equal to 0.001 kilometer. Correct? So here only 2 digits are there. And meter, how many should it should be? 0.001 because we are dividing it by 1000. So 3 it should be there. But here only 2 are there. So we have to write extra 0 before 75. Correct? So 14.075 kilometer. In this way. Now question number 2. Express each of the following in centimeter and millimeter. Conversion you should know properly. Now centimeter and millimeter. So here this part centimeter and this is of millimeter. So 5 centimeter and 6 millimeter. Then 67 centimeter and 5 millimeter. Here 2 centimeter and 6 millimeter. Okay? Conversion you should understand properly. Question number 3. Express each of the following in meter and centimeter. Now 2.85 means meter means 2 meter and 85 centimeter. Here 2 meter 85 centimeter. Then this 6 meter 79 centimeter. And this 7 meter 28 centimeter. Okay. Next, question number 4. Express each of the following in now kilometer and meter. You should know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So in meter part 3 digits should be there. Okay. If not, then we have to put 10 or 20 whatever. So here see 9.05 kilometer. So that means 9 kilometer and how many this meter? 0.5 is there. That means you can write 0.5 also. No problem. Okay. Next 32 and 004 kilometer. That is 32 kilometer and 004 or only 4 also you can write. Here you can write 50 also. 50 meter also you can write. Or only 0.5 also. No problem. Here see 004 that is 4 meter. Okay. Here 0.5 means 1 digit is if we increase it become 50. So we can write 50 meter also. Now here 68 that is 68 kilometer and 86 means what? 860 meter. 3 digits always we have to write in meters part. Okay. Now here only 2 digits they have given 86. So we can write 860 also. No problem. This why I have written only 4 because before 4 2 digits are already there. That means only 4 meters are there. Like that here see already 2 digits are there. So 1 I can increase 0. Here only 2 digits are there. So 1 0 I can increase after 5. So here see 50 meter, here 4 meter and here 860 meter in this way. Okay.